Hello guys, today important program has been launched by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. What the program is? PM Narendra Modi launches today e-Gram Swaraj app and Swamit Yojana. What about the e-Gram Swaraj app? This app is basically to monitor the development of project in the village and planning and completion of project in the village. What is the Swamit Yojana? Swamit Yojana, under this scheme, basically everyone can check the complete details about the land, plan of development, progress report on a single portal. All the citizens who want to check their property information can use Swamit scheme through online mode. What are the benefit of this Swamit scheme is there is integrated property validation solution. What is this? Under this integrated property validation solution, there is mapping mapping of village. Mapping of village is done by, yes, this is done by drone. Okay, and after the mapping of village, title deed will be allotted to the owner after assessment of the particular land. That means, what are the benefit of this? This will pave the path for applying the loan from the bank by the owner, and also this scheme will resolve the dispute related to property. Okay, so basically this comes under panchayati raj. This comes under panchayati raj. And when the panchayati raj celebrated 24th April, we celebrate as National Panchayati Raj Day. Panchayati Raj Day. So, on the occasion of National Panchayati Raj Day, Prime Minister launched these two, that is Swamitva scheme, under which there is integrated property validation solution, and the second one is e-Gram Swaraj app. e-Gram Swaraj app. So, question may be asked about what are the benefit of PM Swamitva scheme. The answer is simple. This scheme provides a integrated property validation solution for rural India. That means this scheme is for rural area of India. Okay. How this demarcation of inhabited land be done? Demarcation of inhabited land be done by using drone and other technology. So these are the important update about PSM. For more update, go to the YouTube and like the page DNA Medical. Go to the YouTube and search for the channel DNA Medical, and also on the Facebook use search page DNA Medical for more such type.